Liam and Noah have been wandering the vast desert for almost 24 hours in search of people. Falling again from fatigue, Liam suggested to Noah, "Listen, we can't survive another 2 days. We need to split up and go in opposite directions. That way we'll cover twice as much ground and find a village faster." "I agree. Let me go west and you go east," said Noah. They divided the rest of the water evenly and went in different directions. 2 hours later, Noah met a Bedouin. He asked him which way the nearest village was. "The nearest village is a 1-day walk to the east," the Bedouin replied. Filling his bottle with water, Noah was glad to hear this, because Liam had gone east. It was very far, but since there was no choice, Noah turned around and went east. It took him another 4 hours and countless steps across the hot dunes before he met 2 more Tuaregs. They were on camels and were traveling from north to south. "Excuse me, is the nearest village to the east?" Noah asked. "Yes, that's right. You look very tired and you have no water at all. Take some rest and give us your bottle," they answered. "Liam must be arriving at the village by now, because he's 4 hours ahead of me, and he walks much faster," Noah thought. Meanwhile, Liam was heading east. He had also met a local Bedouin who confirmed that his route was correct, but he had no water. 3 hours later, Noah ran out of water and strength. He sat down on the sand and decided to rest for a while. Suddenly, he saw a man on the horizon rapidly approaching him. It was Liam. "Noah, I'm so glad I found you. The village is to the east. Come on, let's go," Liam said. "Why did you come back? You might not have found me and died," Noah asked, surprised. "I could have died last night from a scorpion bite, but you stayed awake and chased it away, risking your own life. Now you need a drink. Here you go. You have to drink everything." Noah was very happy to have a brave and loyal friend. A few hours later, they reached the village together. In difficult moments, friends think of each other. A true friend is ready to give up everything, even if it is the last thing he has.